Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Nissan Armada SL. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and moonroof. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.